do something.
I'm bored. Let's do something. What do you want to do? I don't know. Anything is fine. Let's go see a movie. No, I went to see 3 movies this week. 3? Whoa, why so many? Because I was bored all week. Well, you want to play some sports? No, I don't want to play any sports. Why not? Sports are fun. Well, I don't want to run around and get all hot. Yeah, it's kind of hot. How about shopping? You want to go shopping? I like shopping, but I have to watch my money until the end of the month. Well, we could go eat dinner. Dinner is a good idea. Where would you like to eat? I heard about this new Japanese restaurant down at the mall. Is it expensive? It's not too expensive, but it's not cheap. Okay, well, that sounds good. And when we're finished, we can go window shopping. That sounds like fun. And if we want, we can play some indoor air-conditioned sports. Really? Which sport has air conditioning? Bowling! Bowling! Right! Great! Let's go! Okay.
What kind of foods do you like?
I like all kinds of foods.
Really? Can you eat spicy food?
I love spicy food. The hotter, the better.
You are so lucky.
Why am I lucky?
It's terrible when I eat a hot pepper.
Can you eat Thai or Mexican food?
Yes, I can, but only if it's really bland.
Do you eat out very often?
Sometimes.
Do you have a favorite restaurant?
I do have a favorite vegetarian restaurant.
Are you a vegetarian?
Yes, I am.
So you don't eat chicken or pork?
No chicken, no pork, but I do eat fish.
Are you vegetarian for health reasons or religious reasons?
Mostly for health reasons.
All this talk about food has made me hungry. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. Would you like to go to my favorite vegetarian restaurant?
What is good there?
Well, of course, the fresh vegetables are outstanding.
Sounds delicious. Let's go. Excuse me. Would you like some coffee or tea while you're waiting?
Yes, that would be lovely. Thank you.
Which would you prefer, coffee or tea?
Coffee, please.
And how would you like your coffee?
2 sugars and some milk.
Okay, I'm sorry, but we don't have any milk. Is Coffee Mate all right?
Coffee Mate is fine.
Okay. It's 1 coffee. I'll be right back.
Oh, excuse me.
Yes.
Do you use fresh ground coffee?
No, we don't. We use instant coffee. Nescafe, I think.
I see. On second thought, can I have some tea, please?
Yes. Tea. What kind of tea would you like?
What kind of tea do you have?
We have Earl Grey, green tea, or Lipton.
Green tea is Chinese, is it not?
Yes.
I'll try the green tea.
Okay. Would you like that iced or hot?
Iced sounds nice.
1 iced green tea. Would you like a cookie?
Cookie? No, thank you.
Okay. How about an apple?
Yes, I'd like an apple.
1 iced green tea and 1 apple. I'll be right back.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please subscribe channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.